Hello everyone, this is my homework 1.1. The title is The Pneumatic System and Test by Fluid SIM. It's about A plus B plus A minus B minus. First, let me introduce the background. If we want to finish this homework, we need some components like this. First, we need two double-acting cylinder. The cylinder is that uses working fluid to alternately apply force to both sides of a piston. This allows the cylinder to extend and retract in a push or pull motion. The control set made up of a two-way, three-way, or four-way position valve is required to achieve the desired movement. And second, we need two 5x2 way impulse valve. It's controlled by applying reciprocal pilot pressure at connection 1 to 4 and connection from 1 to 2. The valve's operating position remains until an opposite signal is received by the valve. Then we need 4 3x2 way roller lever valve. It's normally closed, often used to limit the position. The roller lever valve is operated by pressing on the lever. The flow passes through from 1 to 2. After release the lever, the valve returns to its initial position. Then we need one 3x2 way valve with push button, like that. It's normally closed. Pushing the push button, the flow passes running from 1 to 2. Release the push button, the valve will return to its initial position. And we leave 4. One-way flow control valve. It controls the flow of air and controls the location of the piston. Then we leave one air compressor. It can provide the needed compressed air. Now, let me introduce the signal flow diagram. If we want to accomplish A+, we must push the piston A to move from A0 to A1. If we want to accomplish B+, we must put the piston B to move from B0 to B1. And if we want to accomplish A-, we want to move the piston A to move from A1 to A0. And if we want to accomplish B-, we must put the piston B to move from B1 to B0, and it can recircle. Now, let me introduce this step. There have 5 steps. The first and the 5th step is similar, because the past A and past B are in their initial position. The second step, if we put the past A to move from A0 to A1, we can accomplish A plus. With the third step, we put the piston B to move from B0 to B1. We will accomplish B plus. Then, the fourth step, we put piston A to move from A1 to A0. We will accomplish A minus. Then, we put piston B to move from B1 to B0. We will accomplish B minus. Now, let's see the simulation on film. In the simulation, we can see that we put the push button, the valve will work, and the valve will move. Then push the piston A to move from A0 to A1. The piston A arrives A1. The valve will work, and push the valve. Then piston B will move from B0 to B1. The piston B arrives B1. Then the valve will work, push the valve. Then the piston A will move from A1 to A0. It returns its initial position. And after piston A arrives A0, the valve will work, put the valve, and the piston B will move from B1 to B0. That we can accomplish the A plus B plus A minus B minus. Now, let's see the simulation video. We put the pushing button. The piston A will move, and the piston B will move. Then the piston A will return. Finally, the piston B will return to its initial position. That accomplished A plus B plus A minus B minus. Now, let's see the physical video. We push the push button. The piston A and piston B will move according to the signal flow diagram. Thank you for watching, and please give some suggestions.